broken. Just using stainless wire there because I run out of mild steel wire. You're right, it's more spattery than the mild steel. And like 4 times this price. Quite weird, it was kind of liquefying with the friction. It's kind of melted its way through. Bizarre. Polypropylene, big rod. The idea is to try making some end caps for bigger stuff, like kind of open ROVs, sized pipe, camera housing as well, display housing. Yeah, a couple of screws, should be good. So this is the ABS, and it was a Hoover. Worked out quite nicely. Got it to maybe 20mm thick. Moulded in a non-stick baking tin, square one. There's a few air bubbles in it, and I think the styrene content in this is going to make the melting point pretty low. So we'll see without any water on there. So set the lathe to the slowest speed we can, and see how we get on. Nice sharp chisel. So this is the display housing to go inside the pressure chamber to display the pressure on video. I could have just overlaid it, but this is testing several ideas. So stock plastic, just bought online. It's probably a reliable way of doing it. Pretty easy, no bubbles. This is polypropylene. Looks pretty solid, and I expect that one will work. This is from High Impact Polystyrene. It was a printer. Just melted it down in a non-stick baking tin in the oven. Lots of bubbles in this one. I think maybe I had it too hot and the plastic started to gas and produce bubbles. But even at that, it would be useful for making pulleys or wheels, or potentially. This is the ABS, the Hoover. Better. This one didn't actually flow. I had to squash it together in the press. Definitely less bubbles. Looks fairly hard. Reasonable surface on the O-ring there. Some of the joints didn't bond very well. Different parts of plastic. So that one, I might try this one, see if it works, because it looks quite pretty.